What's going on, YouTube? Hope everybody's doing good today. Yeah, I just got a package that arrived at the door. I'm gonna go take a quick look and see what it is. I'm still kind of limited to what I can do. I'm not very mobile with my shoulder yet, so I guess I give a little bit of an update on that too. It's healing up nicely, but yeah, I don't have very much movement, so I'm kind of limited to what I do. But I think an exciting package arrived today, so let's go take a look and see what showed up. Oh, I think in fact it's my exhaust. Alright, cool. Alright, so why don't we get this guy inside and we'll do a little unboxing of it. Take a look at the mid pipe and the silencer that came with it. Yeah, might as well head to the garage. Seems like the best place to do an unboxing with it. Go for a little walk out here. Pretty excited. I waited quite a long time for this. It was like almost camera in one hand, box in the other, foot to open the door. Yeah, so I waited like about a month and a half for this. The silencer was on back order, so that's what took so long. They had the mid pipe, got it through I guess a company called AF1 Racing. They're just a distributor that for in Canada or wherever when I bought this off the LeoVince's website, so that's where it comes from. So yeah, they're good company. I don't have anything bad to say about them. It just took a little bit of while. Everything's back ordered, it seems, lately for bikes. So yeah, so let's just get this box open and we'll take a look at what came in the box. All right, well, let's get this box open and take a look inside. They don't do the most pretty packaging in the world. I remember when I got my girlfriend's bike, it was like exactly like her bike. Exhaust, it was exactly like this too, but as long as it protects it, so that's all that matters. I mean, they obviously give you some instructions here, and here's the silencer. Kind of a pain. I should have maybe got all this plastic off the bike or off camera and then showed you guys, but we'll just do a fresh unboxing right here. Yeah, so this is a really nice looking silencer. I went with a carbon fiber version. I think carbon fiber will look good on the black bike. Trying to stay with the black aesthetic of the bike as much as possible. So yeah, it's a really nice silencer. It's got the little grill on the back here, and I mean, the rivets are done really nicely, and these welds are done really nicely. It's like LeoVince makes really nice stuff. My girlfriend had it on her CB 650 a few years ago, and really liked the sound of it. I was doing some reading online, and being this this system actually has the resonator on it. It's not as loud as some other systems. I'm trying not to piss off my neighbors, and I go for a longer distance ride sometimes, so I don't want to have ringing ears when I'm done. Probably still will, but maybe it'll be a little bit more quiet. So yeah, there's the silencer. I'll give you some instructions. I'll give you a little card or here for an little certificate to prove that it's authentic. Instructions, and then yeah, I'll get down deeper into the box, some more foam, and then here's the mid pipe. So LeoVince for the MT10, it's a 3/4 system, so it's retaining the stock headers, and then you put this in between where the silencer or whatever it's called on the bottom of the bike is. And I mean, this is significantly lighter just feeling it right now, so I'm gonna get a good amount of weight savings off it, and I just gotta set my camera down and then get this packaging off because my shoulder is not allowing me to do all this at once. All right, well, there's the mid pipe. As I said, it's got a resonator on it and all the mounting brackets, and you got the lambda sensors there, so I'm going to keep that system active for now. And then you got the where it mounts onto the stock headers. So really nice welds, really clean. I think it's going to look really good on the bike once I get it installed. Obviously, they give you all the hardware that you need too. One sec. Yeah, so they give you all the hardware you need. They give you the clamps. All the different mounting stuff that you need. A little spring tool here so you can pull the springs down. Handy thing to have using a pair of pliers. I don't know if you've ever done that before, but with a pair of pliers that can be a real pain, especially with the smaller ones. Yeah, so looks like everything's here that is needed for the install. I'm going to try and get it on the bike as soon as possible. Yeah, so the only problem is my shoulder. Putting exhaust on and filming and everything like that is going to be quite difficult, but I think that it's going to look really good on the bike once I get it installed. Hopefully the sound's good, and I'm hoping that I can make that a how-to video soon for you. Yeah, so yeah, I just wanted to do a quick little unboxing and give a little update on my shoulder. And so I had my surgery like roughly 3 weeks ago now. Actually, yeah, 3 weeks ago now. So I'm healing up, but I just don't have the range of motion that I would need to be able to install exhaust on the bike. So I'm kind of limited what I can do, as I've said. So yeah, I just wanted to give a quick little, show you the exhaust, and yeah, pretty soon I'll install on the bike and make a how-to video how to do that. I think it's going to be a pretty easy thing to do. It doesn't seem too difficult. There's just taking off the muffler and all that type of stuff on the bike and doing it. There's some bikes out there that can be a real pain, and then there's some out there that are pretty easy, and I think this is going to be one of those easy ones. But yeah, I'm going to run it without a tune. I can't ride right now, so I'm just going to put the exhaust on, and then I'll have maybe a couple weeks or maybe half a month of riding left in the season. But over the winter time, I plan to send the ECU into either VC Cycle Nut or to Two-Wheel Dyno Works, someone anyway, to get a flash put on my ECU for it. I've seen that VC Cycle Nut actually has done testing with this mid-pipe and the stock can, so I think that they might be one of the best people to send it to, just to get a base map put on it, and if I don't like it from there, then I can obviously take it in and get a custom map on it again. So, but yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. All right, peace out, man.